Johnson. That was sick, man. Get those cameras out, man. You know you're gonna get some good stuff. Get him up there. Here comes the frog. Wow. Oh, look back whip. It looks so good. Listen, the way he stretches his neck out. We also call that ball back. That's when you're so confident with a trick. You know a little bit where you're going. Yeah, the heart attack, double grab heart attack from Wiggins. Hottest nailed it. Hottest on fire out there. Wow. Cordova backflip from Brody Wilson, all the way from the right coast of America. Here we go with the doubles. Get those phones out. Side by side, Pogba. What have these boys got here? They've both got their flip levers up. Backflip Cordovas. Hooking those toes under the handlebars and pushing their body through. I got it. I'm trying to take photos of myself. With them in the background. I like taking photos. It's a common name because I'm taking photos. Good though. Oh, big old rock solid. We got 1-footer whip from Squibby, a big fat backflip. People pulled off from the Czech Republic. They're no strangers to the podium on the IF. Look, this is a photo of my face when I meant to get Sato. Yeah, Wiggins, that 4-stroke just sounds like sex. Here comes the frog. Yeah, frog. A no-handed back from Hannes Ackerman. Yes, bro. I've got the sweetest photo right now. That front wheel went down on Wiggins. He was able to come around and Sato. He never got away with it. There's the big rock solid. For Brendan Burton, well done, Wingo. I'll no-hander to the backflip. Powered at it. Yes, Honest. Yes, kill at it. Amazing. It's just for absolutely non-stop. I got a headache from screaming. Whoa! So did we take off to Saran? Oh my goodness! Almost getting stuck up there with a Saran wrap, making his dad almost have a heart attack. People come on. So we're seeing he's back in the comments. Seigo Sato from Japan. Huge tsunami. Looping that bike out. Big get air for the big man, dude! Wiggins! This is Fredrik Berger from Sweden. The frog. Big dead body! Look that. Hey Tim, you know when Luke handled it tied up on that the saran wrap, his dad almost had a heart attack. I think he's gonna ground his son. I think he probably is. Brody Wilson from the US of A. decided themselves they're going to do this. Side by side. Here we go, big old trigger, side by side on I know that's a bit cliche to say, but you're from Gatwick down the road. I bet you didn't think you'd be right with the world's best, did you? Hear you! Are you ready for some freestyle motocross? Okay, 7 of you are. That's cool. All together on the count of 3. Let's make loads of noise. We'll set Peter Pill out here. 1, 2, 3, scream! Let's do a mega Mexican wave. Mega Mexican wave. Really? Yeah, come on, let's do this. Mexican wave. Okay. Right, you start in the hoodie. Are you ready? Mexican wave. 1, 2, 3, go! Go. Podball, and then Mr. Brody Wilson. So cheer them all, go out for Peter Pillette. Have some. Here we go then. Rocking that KTM, part of the Red Bull family. Also repping DC. Yeah, DC. This boy's got mad skills. The best shoe company out there. Pablo will attest to that. Got those flip levers up. A huge heel clicker flip. Dumbledore dies at the end of that one. What? Harry Potter 6. I wouldn't go. I had a first edition, and Tim ate my last page of the last Harry Potter book. That was not worth 300 quid, it's worth 10 quid. He actually ate the page in front of me. Yeah, but what a story. Good story. Alright, so Peter Pill's last trick. Now, Ago, star of the Red Bull Exploiters World Series. Next up that will be at the Plaza de los Ventos in Spain. This boy has a humongous bag of tricks. Make some noise for Ago! One-handed takeoff to cliffhanger to no! Cheers, man, they're going to an extra special. I reckon the flip bars are coming out, and we should see something properly inverted. Yeah, they're out. Here we go! Sato! Sato, Jeremy! Sato! 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 Hands are clapping! Make some noise and give me your affection that he needs it! He thrives on it! He goes big with it! Show him some love! Here we go, come on,